you for buying this hand truck from Fixture Displays. This is a great tool to help you with your warehouse management or in your moving and storage businesses. Four wheels are very beefy, and this hand truck is designed for easy fold down. There's also extension feature, and these are the dimensions. To use this cart is super easy. You basically flip the handle on and it snaps into position, and the other side is the same. Then you can move this around with your cargo or your luggage. The four wheels, two of them have brakes. You can press down with your foot and it will stop in a sloped area or flat area for that matter. To extend it, there are two thumb screws you want to undo. Then you just pull that and it will snap into pre-designed locking position. The snap button is in the middle tube. Once that is accomplished, you want to tighten the thumb screws before using in this length. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Our email address is cs.charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. The weight capacity of this cart is well over 300 pounds. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. To fold this in, you want to press in the snap button in the middle tube and then retract. Then fasten the thumb screws. And you press down that bar to fold the handles. That's really easy to work with. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.